Others tell us we should do it. We kind of know we can do it. So why do we not do it? What am I talking about? Stepping up. Whether you have your own business and you have to step into something new and creative, or you are in a team and you need to step into that, whichever version, stepping up is something we tend to hesitate on. And it's not due to lack of confidence, but what it is a lack of belief in yourself. So I was in a room recently and it was highlighted that the team members were all very capable and had a great energy of being able to achieve great things. And yet the problem was identified that the stepping into a different role, stepping up with initiative, was always done with hesitation. So how do we counteract that hesitation? Step up, even if you do not have full belief in yourself, draw on the belief of others, and step up anyway. You will be amazed at what results occur simply because you stepped up with initiative.